Welcome to the Project Management Worksheet video tutorial. As this is a 5.0 spreadsheet model, it has a top and side navigation menu, dashboards showing spreadsheet information, and instructions tab where you can schedule a free class, watch this video tutorial again, unprotect the spreadsheet to make customizations and options such as changing the spreadsheet language and currency, menu colors and fonts, changing the logo, adding or deleting tabs, and support. The spreadsheet allows us to manage multiple projects simultaneously. It also has a Gantt chart that is generated automatically. This chart is a visualization of the project schedule. There is also the possibility of sending tasks email automatically. Starting with planning and projects, we inform the projects to be managed by month, client name, project type, and so on. Afterwards, we register the consultants informing name, telephone, email, specialty. And we finish by filling out the WBS, breakdown structure of the project, with name of the project, WBS, deliverable, tasks, and so on. Moving on to schedule, we start with planish versus accomplished, where we select the name of the project to be analyzed, thus generating the general project schedule. Next, Gantt chart shows us what was expected, foreseen, and the real time of the completion of the project. In costs, we register the costs related to each project, and we can then visualize the total budgeted amount for project costs and the project cost balance. Reports shows us the overview of the project with planned tasks, completed tasks, percentage of completion, and so on. Next, we have two tabs for printing, the planned schedule and the done schedule. In dashboards, projects shows us the number of projects, the total revenue, the total cost, general conclusion, deliverable on time, allocated consultants, and we have some charts such as revenue, costs, planned deliverables versus delivered deliverables, and consultants. Finally, in project detailing, upon selecting a project, we can visualize its revenue, costs, consumed budget, allocated consultants, conclusion, and some observations. We have reached the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much.